Are you looking to get quick tips on Adobe Express? Well, stay tuned because in this Minute Express on Adobe Express, I'm gonna show you how you can get client feedback faster than ever. So I recently finished a CPG report for one of my clients' added value agency, and this was an incredibly comprehensive report, but we also wanted to create some social media graphics that they can use to talk about these stats inside the report. So I went into Adobe Express, added some animations, and really made the statistic a little bit more appealing and interesting. However, I had a couple options and I wanted to share that with her to get her ideas as to what would fit best for the vision that we had talked about. So one of the things that I love so much about the new Adobe Express is the capability to collaborate. So I can go and place a specific area here, and let's say I just want to ask the client, does this statistic look really good for you? I really wanted to keep it engaging. So I can comment her and invite her to give me some feedback and say, how does this new statistic work for our animations? And then I can click on submit, and Sterling will be able to give me some feedback on this graphic. And she let me know that she preferred number 1 versus number 2. And so this is how we were able to easily come to a decision without having to send a ton of emails and other file imports and exports. And that was a Minute Express with Adobe Express.